Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick and powerful duo, a combo that can help you make a lot of money. No income results guaranteed, but I want to share with you my Postcard Tycoon plus my Stamp Maximizer 100 duo and how powerful it is. Okay, so this is how you save money on your stamps, get free stamps, and save money on your postcard marketing, and how you increase postcard marketing profits. Okay, so if you want to do any of those things, make sure to watch this video to the end. So anyone that joins my Postcard Tycoon team, I actually incentivize them to get into Stamp Maximizer 100. All I do is I send a few emails, send them a few texts, give them a call, tell them about it once they get their welcome pack and stuff like that. So nothing too complicated, nothing too like, salesy or extravagant, but just, tell them about it, make sure they know about it. And if they're serious about Postcard Tycoon, they're going to go ahead and get started with Stamp Maximizer, okay? So let me explain how this works. So when you get started with Postcard Tycoon for $500, you're going to actually go ahead and need to purchase stamps, leads, and postcards, right? So you get your first 250 postcards, you get your first 250 leads in your welcome pack in your getting started kit, but you're also going to need to get stamps, right? So this is how you get free stamps. So you get into Postcard Tycoon, and then when your welcome pack or your welcome kit shows up, you're going to join Stamp Maximizer, okay? And so what this is going to be able to do is anytime someone joins your team and they also get started with Stamp Maximizer, you're going to get 100 stamps, your sponsor is going to get 100 stamps, and then Postcard Tycoon, or I mean like WTM Publications, will get 100 stamps, okay? So that's how this works. It's a 2-level stamp program, and you get forever stamps, okay? Those are the only kind of stamps that this works with. All right, and what is a forever stamp? A forever stamp is something that when you purchase it, it is still good even though the price goes up or the market changes. Forever stamps were created in 2007 by the USPS Postal Service. So they're the best stamps to get for small 1 ounce or less packages like letters. Okay, so this is perfect for Postcard Tycoon, postcard marketing, and making money through direct mail. Okay, so this is my most powerful duo combo that I recommend inside of my team to help people get results and stop spending so much money on marketing. Okay, so this is a very powerful duo, a very powerful combo, and I hope you appreciate just how amazing this is and how powerful it is. So thank you so much for watching. This has been my Postcard Tycoon plus my Stamp Maximizer 100 duo. And if you have any questions about this, go ahead and ask me in the comments below. Let me know if you have any thoughts, any questions. But yeah, you're going to go ahead and get this form right here after you join Postcard Tycoon. Okay, so join Postcard Tycoon is step 1. Step 2, get your welcome kit and fill out this and send it in. In step 3, you are ready to market, okay? So now, whenever someone joins your team, you're gonna give them a call and tell them about this and how important it is, okay? So thanks for watching this video. That's it. Appreciate you being here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and go and click the link in the description below to get access to my team and my bonuses and check out my bonuses, all right? So again, click the link in the description below. Make sure to get access to my personal bonuses and check out my team. All right, my friend, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.